AutoCAD, BricsCAD and Civil SIte Design Plus users will now have updated grip editing functionality when creating Civil SIte Design alignments. After creating, there are now new grips available when selecting the alignment, and these grips will allow you to move the alignment position at those grip points. When you do so, the string and associated model will also update. In addition, any design data form entries that you have made, for example with specific chainage ranges, are also respected and then adjusted accordingly on the string to maintain their chainage position. Editing and reporting Civil SIte Design alignment geometry is now made easier with the new Alignment Grid Editor. Within this particular form, you can review all of the Civil SIte Design alignments that have been created, including the grading strings. In this particular example, you can see that we're able to very quickly flick between each of the different IPs that are found on this alignment and then use the zoom tool to zoom to that particular location within the drawing. We're also able to make edits. So in this case, I have a 15-meter radius on this particular bend, and I can go in and change that to something maybe smaller, say 10, and press enter. As I make that change, you'll see that the alignment updates, so does the model. In addition, we can apply values for spirals coming in and out, and also change the start chainage of the alignment. Finally, we can create a quick report of the alignment geometry by clicking on the table button and allowing the software to go ahead and create us a simple table within the drawing.